Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'll show how to fix Snapchat notifications that are not working after the iOS 18 update. We will go through 5 different solutions to fix this issue. So make sure you watch until the end, because one of these solutions should work for you. First, let's check if notifications for Snapchat are enabled. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Notifications. Scroll down until you find Snapchat and tap on it. As you can see, notifications weren't enabled for Snapchat, which is why I wasn't receiving them. I'll enable notifications and you can customize how you receive them, on the lock screen, in the notification center, or as banners. If notifications are already enabled but you're still not receiving them, try restarting your iPhone. To do this, open the control center by swiping from the top right corner of the screen. Tap and hold the power button in the upper right corner until you see the Slide to Power Off screen. Slide to power off, then restart your iPhone. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix the problem. Another potential issue is that you may have Do Not Disturb or another focus mode enabled. Open the control center again and check if Do Not Disturb or any other focus mode is on. In my case, Do Not Disturb is enabled, which blocks notifications from Snapchat and other apps. Turn off any active focus modes to allow notifications to come through. The fourth solution is to make sure the Snapchat app is up to date. Since iOS 18 is new, an outdated app may have compatibility issues. Open the App Store, search for Snapchat, and check if there's an update available. If it says Update, tap on it and wait for Snapchat to update. Updating the app can fix bugs and improve performance. Lastly, if none of the previous solutions worked, you might need to clear the app's cache. Go to Settings, then tap on General and select iPhone Storage. Find Snapchat on the list and tap on it. You'll see an option to Offload App. This will clear the cache and unnecessary files, but don't worry, it won't log you out of Snapchat or delete your data. Once it's offloaded, tap Reinstall to restore the app. This should clear any bugs or corrupted files that may be causing issues with notifications. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.